Hi there. Today I'm excited to introduce you to ChatGPT, an incredible AI assistant by OpenAI. In this video, we'll explore its key features by using real examples on the screen. Let's get started. As you can see, ChatGPT provides quick and accurate answers to your questions. It's like having an encyclopedia at your fingertips. Need help with emails or writing tasks? ChatGPT can craft professional and friendly content tailored to your needs. It's great for learning. ChatGPT simplifies tough concepts into easy to understand language. Developers, this one's for you. ChatGPT can help write, debug, and explain code in multiple programming languages. Looking for inspiration? ChatGPT can brainstorm ideas for events, projects, and more. ChatGPT speaks multiple languages, helping you communicate across cultures with ease. And when you want to relax, ChatGPT is great for jokes, games, and fun conversations. ChatGPT is designed to prioritize your privacy and safety. Always use it responsibly. So, whether you need help with productivity, creativity, or just want to have fun, ChatGPT is here for you. Give it a try today and experience the magic of AI.